Eliminate all dust from the surface. Spray all natural wood cleaner spray on the surface. Rub dry with a mop or a microfiber cloth. Let the surface dry. Rinsing with clean water is not necessary. Take the universal maintenance oil and add the Oil Plus 2C component A in the same color with which the surface was treated before. The correct ratio is 3 parts universal maintenance oil to 1 part Oil Plus 2C. Mix thoroughly. Apply a small amount of oil with a brush and afterwards spread out with a red scrubby pad. Preferably work in areas of 2 to 4 square meters. These are areas that allow you to apply the oil and remove the excess within approximately 15 minutes. Allow to absorb for a few minutes and massage the oil into the wood with a white scrubby pad. Wipe away all the excess oil with a Rubio Monocoat Oil Removal Cloth. The surface should look even. Replace the Rubio Monocoat Oil Removal Cloth regularly. If the cloth no longer absorbs sufficient oil, it is time to replace it. Let the surface dry for 24 hours. Make sure that there is sufficient ventilation during and after application to speed up the curing process. Cloths and other tools saturated with oil may spontaneously combust. After usage, they need to be soaked in water before disposal. Universal maintenance oil to mix can be applied regularly as soon as the surface becomes more stain sensitive and feels a little bit dry or rough. UMO to mix will refresh the wooden surface, maintain the protection, and will further increase the fluid resistance. As soon as the surface starts to show too much wear and the color starts to fade, it is recommended to reapply Oil Plus 2C in the color that the wood was originally treated with before.